Namaste students. Today's our topic is Works Committee. What is Works Committee? According to the Industrial Dispute Act of India, every employer should form a Works Committee if they have more than 100 employees in the organization. The Works Committee members should be comprised of equal number of workmen and individual representing employers. The employer should select the employees in consultation with the union. Need for Works Committee procedure. Need for the Works Committee procedure is to reduce the material differences between both parties. This committee looks after maintaining a healthy relationship between the employer and the employee through the collective efforts of both parties. It also aims at improving industrial peace and works on matters involving general peace and work-related issues. Features of Works Committee. In this section, we will discuss some of the common features of the Works Committee procedure that will help you constitute a committee. The number of members in the committee should be fixed and not more than 20 here. It is also specified that the members of employers should not be more than members of employees. The representatives from the employer side should be selected with the consent of the employer, and those people should be associated with the organization directly. Both the formation of the Works Committee, the employer should inform the union if they have one. Further, during elections, two groups should be formed. One of the union member who want to be a part of the committee and other non-union members. The candidates added to the committee should have worked with the company for at least 1 year and should have attained a minimum age of 19 years. The voters are voting of committee members should be at least 18 years of age and must have worked in the company for at least 6 months. The central government or equivalent authority holds the rights to dissolve this committee if they feel it is not constituted as per the guidelines. If you wish to understand the full Works Committee procedure, the Works Committee is important of industrial organization. It should be constituted with proper guidelines as laid out by the government. Thank you so much.